All right, good morning everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to give you just a quick review on the Rigg gear by Nelson Rigg Hurricane Adventure Tail Bag. What we have here is part of Nelson Rigg's or Rigg Gear's Hurricane line, and it is roughly 28 liters of storage that is meant to be mounted on your rear luggage rack, hence the term tail bag. Dimensionally, it's about 14 inches long, 11 inches wide, and about 9 inches high to give you that 28 liters. As it is part of Nelson Rigg or Rigg Gear's Hurricane series, you can see that it is waterproof. So we've got welded seams and zippers and everything that we need to ensure that what we put in there stays dry. And that's a really good thing, because in my case, what I put in there is camera gear, generally speaking. Maybe some gloves, some other stuff. Really, I use it to organize what I would keep in the tank bag, and allows me to keep less in the tank bag and have more things readily accessible that I use regularly. So I've had this now for a few months, 6, 7, 8 months. I think I got it in the winter, and it's we're now in July. So, but let's talk a little bit about how it attaches to the bike. So in this scenario, on my Norden 901 Expedition, I have a Touratech luggage rack on the back of this bike. And you can see that we have 2 mount points on this side of the bag. We have a rubberized carry handle, great for taking it to your campsite or into your hotel, whatever you prefer. And then we have 2 mount points on this side of the bag as well. On the top, you can see we have a mole panel, so you can strap things to the top of it if you so desire. As with everything, because this is high up on the bike, you want to watch what you put in there weight-wise, but it's a great tail bag. Nice to have waterproof storage. And that's what the outside looks like. Let's check out the inside. All right. So on the inside of our tail bag, we have our lid, which has 2 zipper pockets, which are excellent for organizing cables, maybe medication, whatever you need to carry and want quick access to. If we start looking inside, you'll see that we have a cavernous area to store things. We've got some straps if you need to strap things down, like if you want to strap down what you're carrying in the back here, if you're going to be doing some aggressive riding or just some bumpy riding, I guess you could strap it down. And we've also got, you can see a zipper on this side, one on the opposite side that you close in the middle. So if you need to hang a cable out for whatever reason, you have the option to zip both sides. Now, this is a great bag. This is the review portion of this. And what I will tell you is that when it's strapped down, it straps down very tightly. I could probably lift up the bike by the bag and it would hold. That being said, the walls on this thing are very strong. Because the walls are so strong, the thing that I have found is that getting the zipper closed without pushing in, as you can see, what I have to do is push it in to square it up a little bit, is quite difficult. So if you have it loaded to the gills, same thing with everything. It's like trying to close a suitcase. You can't really sit on this, but you may have to push it in to get it closed. With that said, as far as downsides to this bag, that's the only one, and it's very minor, it's very petty. So, as I said, 4 mounting points. This thing isn't going to go anywhere. It's excellent for carrying into a hotel or to a campsite, as I said, and it's high quality. I think folks often want to consider Nelson Rigg or Rigg Gear to be a value brand, and indeed it is. I mean, you're not going to spend as much as you will on some of its competitors, but it's good quality gear, and I highly recommend it. So if you have any questions, leave them below. I'll do my best to answer them. If you made it this far, thanks so much for watching. If you like what we're doing here, give us a like. If you really like it, go ahead and subscribe, and I promise we're not going to sell you anything, but hopefully we can create some more content for you. So thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.